time is nearly 6:30. That's April 3rd, 2015. The sounds you're hearing is my daughter, Noelani Star Morris.
Huh.
Breathing in her sleep. She's been sick for about a week and a half. With this horrible cough. Haven't you? But now she's awake. I'm recording it, baby. I'm hoping to reach out to somebody who can help me. 'Cause I'm scared. I don't know what to do for my baby. I've given her over-the-counter medicine. And we don't have a doctor yet. If anyone can give me advice on what to do for her, please message me. Either on Facebook or on here. This is the first time Noelani's had a cold this long. And I don't know what else to do. Thank you for listening.